Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the 11th, and let's get in with the trades. So I was watching today GOVX, TRXC LMFA, let's see, ZOM as well, ALRN, SECO, and a few other stocks. So for some reason today the market was very choppy, but it's a Monday, right? Usually Mondays could be iffy sometimes, but today was definitely choppy as well. So I want to show you one trade where I got caught in a flush. So let me pull that up real quick. And that one was LMFA. So if I pull that up, and I got caught in this flush right here. Let me see. Let me pull up my log real quick. So LMFA, let's see here, 311, buy, sell. Or no, not LMFA, HAPP, I believe it was. Yeah, HAPP, where I got in. Yeah, I got in at like 250, and then I got out at like 233. I got caught in a flush. So let me pull that up real quick. So pretty much, I was looking for this break of 50 spot, right? Which it happened. And let me draw the line. And I was looking for the break of 250 right here. So it happened and I got in, right? Immediately it tanked on me. Now that I look at it, right? Obviously in hindsight, everything is more visible, but it's also important to learn from the hindsight experience. So a few things here, right? This candle right here is very bearish. So when I saw this candle, I could have got out for the when this candle formed, right? As soon as it broke this low at 244, I could have got out. So yeah, this is something that I just got caught in this flush and then got out at around this area right here. So when this popped down and then this came up a little bit, I got out pretty much. And you can see I got out at 250 and 233 out. So yeah, so that was that. So this has put me down a lot. When I took that trade, definitely around a couple $100, $200. So definitely I need to be careful, you know, just to look at the candle, right, when it's done forming. I think I could have, you know, done better in terms of reducing my loss, but it's all good. And also this stock was very choppy as well. I could have not taken the trade just by, you know, these upper wicks and bottom wicks in this area right here. Seems like it was choppy. So, but yeah, so that was one trade that put me down a lot, and then I had to dig myself out of the hole. And then some other trades. I mean, today was kind of just like mix and match, to be honest. A lot of stocks failed today. For example, GOVX we have here, right, just failed. I was looking for the break of 6 on this area right here, but each candle is like 20, 30 cents. So I'm like, I'm good. I don't want to touch it. So, but yeah, GOVX failed. And then what else was I watching? LMFA. The stock is very whippy. So this one is failing, right? Actually, yeah, LMFA is whippy stock. So I'm going to put LMFA and HAPP on do not trade list. So, all right, cool. So DOGZ was another decent sized loss. I was looking for the break of this spot right here, 250. That never happened. So, and then what else was I watching? ALRN, I had a couple good trades, couple of red trades. TRXC, this one I got stopped out a couple of times. As you can see, I was trying to get it on this area right here, and it got stopped. It came back down. Now it came back around and then went up. So yeah, so this stock was just hard to read, and it was big flood as well. So that's one of the other reasons. But the setup was there. So. but it seems like it's setting up again, but I'm not going to trade it. Yeah. What else? The trade that put me up green. So up until OEG right here, right? OEG put me up to break even on the day, right? I was break even. And then TRXC put me down like $60. So to remember, when I got caught in that flush on HAPP, I was down like 260, 270. And then I got myself out of the hole by trading other stocks. And then when OEG came, I got in at 454, got out 463, and other stocks I took. So at that point, I was break even on the day, $0. TRXC I took, I was down $60. And then Mark is the one that put me up actually $54 on the day, and then I stopped trading. Because at that point, the writing's on the wall. Today's Monday, it's just not working out, right? With the patterns that I trade. So Mark is what actually put me up green on the day. So I took the trade at, believe it was this area right, this area right here, 230, and I got out at literally 238, which was pretty much at the top. 230 to entry out at 239. So, and the high of the day was 241. So pretty much came out from the top. So yeah, so today was a bit choppy and just different type of action, and it's probably expected. I mean, if you look at the SPY, right? Well, SPY now it's going up, but this time when I was trading, it was consolidating and choppy, so it makes sense. But yeah, let's see what Tesla's doing. Yeah, Tesla's kind of coming down. Neo, I think, had a good day today. Yeah. So yeah, overall today I finished green 54, came out from 270 back to $54. So I think this is it for me for today. And hopefully you guys are green. And make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you guys tomorrow.